Okay, let's let's check whether we have created profit center accounting or not. Okay, profit center accounting, basic settings, set including area, UAP 9, including area settings, maintain. Okay, UAP 9, it's already done. Okay, activate. Okay, this is also done. That means dummy is created. After data, profit center, define profit center, change. The company code is UAP 9. So we have P1, P12, and 3 and dummy. Okay. Okay, we've already created this. Next part is we go for front end. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master data, GL accounts, individual, and centrally. Okay, UFP 9. Okay, we have only one retained earnings account. So we'll go for salary account. 400, 500. Primary cost or revenue. 400 series. Okay. Salary account, control data, tax category, all, posting without tax allowed. Sort key 001. Cost element category 01. Create bank interest G02. Okay. Cost center will be required. Save. We'll copy this. 400, 600. Rent account. Rent account. Save. 200, 691. 200, 691. Balance sheet account. Assets. Cash account. Control data. Zero 01. Create bank interest G001. Relevant to cash flow. Save. Okay. Profit setup P01, P102. And we have cost centers that will create. We'll create that later, but right now we'll create a cost center 101. Cost center, master data, K01. 100,101. Master data body shop. Gym. Cost center category F. Hierarchy. UAP 9. Profit center. P1001. Save. 102, 103. Assembling. 102 is assembling. Body shop. Assembling. Okay. And same. Save. 103. Paint shop. Paint shop. Paint shop. Profit center is blank. Enter.
Sir, why we are adding three different companies?
Sorry.
Why we are adding three different companies like body shop, assembling, and paint shop?
Now these are cost centers, not companies. These are cost
These are
centers.
cost center. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Cost center is the hub of your expenses, right?
Yes, this is for recording expenses on the production floor at the admin site in departments.
Okay.
Master data 201, enter processing, and okay, processing 201, save, processing is also done. Person responsible, okay. Now let's check assignments, SPRO, controlling profit center accounting, assignments, check assignments, cost centers, display objects without cost centers, okay. UAP 9, execute. So we have only paint shop without a profit center, other have all are represented under P101. Okay. Cost center group. Master data, cost centers, cost center groups, create cost center group, prod, center group, 101, 02, 01, save. So we're done for today.